Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, August 28, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my day.
Same here. I'm still sleepy from staying up late.
Oh, tell me about it. I was up late checking emails.
That's rough. Work never stops, does it?
Nope, never. But hey, coffee helps.
For sure. So anything new with you?
Yeah, actually, I read some cool stuff online. There's this big trade deal in Europe happening.
Oh really? What's it about?
It's about countries trading more easily. I think it's good for business.
That sounds like a big deal. It could help companies grow.
Exactly. More trade means more sales for me. Haha.
True? And maybe better prices for everyone?
I hope so. It's nice to see countries team up.
Yeah, it makes things feel more connected. Do you think it'll affect us soon?
Maybe. If we sell more in Europe, I'll be busy.
That's a good kind of busy. We need more orders.
For sure. Hey, speaking of busy, did you hear about this new tech thing?
No, what's that? Tell me.
There's a new app for work. It helps teams chat and share stuff fast.
Oh, that sounds helpful. We need better tools for projects?
Right? I'm always losing files on my computer.
Haha, same here. Is the app easy to use?
I think so. They say it's simple for everyone.
That's good. Maybe it can save us time.
Oh, for sure. I'm tired of searching for emails.
Me too. Does it cost a lot?
Nah, I think it's cheap for small teams. Worth a try.
Nice. I'll talk to the boss about it.
Do it. It could make our work so much easier.
Yeah, less stress is always good. Any other news?
Oh yeah, one more thing. There's a funny movie coming out soon.
A movie? What kind is it?
It's a comedy about office life. They say it's hilarious.
Haha, office life? That's our daily story.
Exactly. I bet they show someone messing up like me.
Haha, or someone snoring in a meeting. I've seen that here.
Oh, 100%. I can't wait to see it.
Me neither. It's nice to laugh about work.
Yeah, makes the tough days better. Have you seen the trailer?
Not yet. Is it online?
Yeah, it's all over the place. Check it during lunch.
I will. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. So how's your project going?
It's okay, but I'm super busy today. Too many tasks.
I feel you. I've got like 50 calls to make.
50? Wow, that's a lot. Good luck.
Thanks, I'll need it. How many meetings do you have?
Just 2, but they're long. I'm already tired thinking about them.
Haha, I get that. Meetings drain me.
Yeah, but we need them to stay on track. What's your day like?
Crazy, calls, emails, and chasing clients.
Sounds like a full plate. Don't forget to breathe.
I'll try. Hey, back to that trade deal. Do you think it'll change much for us?
Maybe a little. It could open new markets.
That's what I'm hoping. More clients, more coffee breaks.
Haha, we deserve those breaks. Let's see how it plays out.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I just want more deals to close.
Same here. It's good for the company.
Totally. And about that app, I'm serious we should get it.
I agree. I'll bring it up in the next team meeting.
Cool, it'll save me from all the file chaos.
Me too. I hate when I can't find stuff.
It's the worst. Hey, do you think the IT team will like it?
I think so. They're always looking for new tools.
Good point. Let's hope they say yes.
Yeah, I'll push for it. We need less hassle.
100%. In that movie, we should watch it as a team.
That's a fun idea. Maybe a night out after work.
I'm in. It'll be a nice break from the office.
For sure. I'll send an email to see who wants to join.
Perfect. Tell them it's my idea, haha.
Haha, I will. Let's make it happen.
Deal. Hey, about that trade news, do you think it'll take long to see changes?
Hard to say. These things can take months.
Oh, I hate waiting. I want more sales now.
Haha, patience, David. Good things come slow.
I guess, but I'm ready for action.
I know. Let's keep an eye on the news.
Will do? Hey, that app, does it work on phones too?
I think so. Most apps do these days.
Nice. I'm always on my phone for work.
Same. It would be handy to have it there.
Totally. I'll check more about it later.
Good idea. Let me know what you find.
Sure thing. And the movie, what if it's about us?
Haha, what if it is? We're stars then.
Haha, I'd watch that. Me spilling coffee on screen.
And me with 10 spreadsheets open? Classic.
Too real, huh? We'd be a hit.
For sure. Let's see if it's as funny as our days.
Oh, it better be. Work gives us enough laughs.
True. Hey, what time is your first call?
In like 10 minutes. I should get ready.
Okay. I've got a meeting soon too.
All right, let's catch up later then.
Yeah, see you later, David.
Have a good day, Alex.
You too. Take it easy.
Always do. Talk soon.
For sure. Good luck with those calls.
Thanks. See you at the coffee machine tomorrow.
Haha, always here. Bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.